Good afternoon. My name is Alfredo Saldana. We're here because we're very grateful and thankful that we have the opportunity to share our experience with Quality Sheds. This is our second purchase of a shed for a horse barn. We were very, very impressed with the quality of this wood structure and the quality of the material that was used previously in that shed. So we decided that we continue with it. We went with Quality the second time around after we had made our first purchase with Quality Shed. It's because, first of all, the customer service was amazing. They're very, very responsive to our questions. And then the technician who came and brought the building physically moved to here, was very, very engaging, answered my questions. He was very helpful. He said it exactly where I wanted it, ensured that it was set right. We have had positive experience with Quality Shed. So yes, I would make a strong recommendation for that shed. It's deep enough for it provides solid protection for your livestock, and it's also they come in various colors, so you can make it fit your whatever your preference are to your barn or to your other structure on your property.